And you're okay with hand adjustment through here and a little bit of instrument? Okay. So I'm gonna do a stretch right here. Bingo. Breathe. That was good. Good. Take a breath in, release it out. That's not too much on you, is that?
No.
Another deep breath. And out. Good. You're going to feel the table release underneath you. Pressure okay?
Yep.
So adjusting right at L3.
I need all the help I can get.
It'll take a few strokes off the game, I'm sure. You have to tell me, yeah, I had my best front and back 9. Table's gonna release underneath you. We're gonna work on some of the pelvis and sacrum, lower back here. Table's gonna drop.
Yeah, I had a bad back.
Good. You doing okay?
Oh yeah, remember I have a high pain threshold.
No, I know, but I still check in. Every one of these techniques are different for everyone, so I think personalizing the treatment is so important for people.